So I've been using this tool I built with Python to batch generate playlists for my music. I choose between the normal version, slowed and reverbed version, or the Nightcore or sped up version. And then I can choose a number between 1 and 100 to choose how many playlists to generate. So for example, I'll do 5, and this will generate 5 normal playlists. And then I can choose the length of each of these playlists. So between 1 to 24 hours. For example, I'll do 2 hours, and that'll make each of these playlists 2 hours long, and it will automatically generate them from a preset of files within a specified folder that I have designated. You can edit the settings right on the app here. I'll show you that in a second. All right, so there you can see it successfully generated 5 playlists. And so if I go to my folder path that I have specified here, you'll see it has generated these 5 new playlists here, as well as these 5 text documents corresponding with each playlist. So what these text files are is essentially the timestamps for the playlists that were generated, and you can just copy and paste these, and this format will fit and work into your YouTube descriptions. But yeah, I guess the main goal of this tool here is to batch generate these audio files. You saw that I generated 5, but I could do anywhere up to 100. I could easily edit the code so that I can do more than 100. I don't see why you would really need to do that. For example, the main thing that I currently use this for is to do visualizers for my YouTube channel or my live streams. So for example, for myself, I have all these beats that I made here throughout my 7 years so far as a music producer, and this software is taking those 1,000 beats or so that I made and arranging them in a random order each time at the specified length that we chose in the here. And so you'll see I now have all these MP3 files that are 2 hours long, because that's how long I chose the playlists to be. And I like to put these into my favorite video editor or straight into FL Studio and use zGameEditor visualizer. There's a link in the description if you want more tips on how you can use zGameEditor visualizer in FL Studio. That's actually what I'm doing here right now, is generating one of those visualizers. And the last thing I like to use this for, and honestly probably what most of you will find it most useful for, is you can arrange a lot of non-copyright sounds or beats that you use in the background of your live stream VODs or your live streams in general. So for example, I could use my own beats, and I do use it for this. Let's say I had a 2-hour long Minecraft stream where I was playing some Minecraft and I needed some background music for it. Well, I just use this as the background music, so I know that there won't be any ads. I know that there won't be any interruptions or anything with the playback on the audio, and I can choose specifically myself which songs or beats are going into that playlist and modify it over time. Anyway, honestly just wanted to show this off as kind of an update of what I've been working on. I've been busy with school and other things with my career and everything, so I thought it'd be cool to touch base and just do a little update. I'm definitely going to continue working on improving this tool. I have a bunch of ideas on how I can make it better, but definitely let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions, or if you want the download made available so that you can use it yourself. And if I do that, I'll definitely do a more in-depth tutorial on how to actually use it as well, how to install it, how to make sure all your song files are set up in the right way, and how to set up all your output paths for your folders and everything. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.